Oh. Don't touch it. Oh. Patrick, what are you doing? Patrick. Patrick, what is that? A caterpillar.
Yeah.
What are you doing with it?
Because it's gonna be stuck forever.
It's gonna be stuck forever?
Yeah.
Oh man. Why are you trapping it? Patrick, why are you trapping the caterpillar?
Because it's gonna bite me.
It's gonna bite you?
Yeah.
You gonna put him in timeout?
Yeah.
So he's in timeout?
Yeah.
Oh, don't smush him. There's the caterpillar. And he's in timeout.
Yeah.
Yep.
This for the caterpillar.
You getting more?
Yeah. Where the caterpillar won't get out.
Okay. Oh, Patrick, your ball's rolling away.
Huh?
Your ball's rolling away.
I'll go get it.
Good job.
Where's my helmet?
Where's your what?
That's what I did my helmet. That's what I did my helmet.
Grandpa took your helmet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where's my helmet?
It's inside, Boo. You don't need it.
Why?
What do you need a helmet for? You're playing with the ball. Patrick, can you say bye, Grandma? Say bye, Grandma.
What's the caterpillar?
He's still in caterpillar timeout. Right there. You see him? Caterpillar timeout.
Hold it out, Mom.
Yeah.
That's the better. What's the caterpillar?